Hi Jay,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am good, Jay. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you. Thank
Can
you.
you introduce about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Jeyanthira, and I'm from Karunya University, and I'm doing my final semester, 8th semester in my Karunya University. And right now, I got placed in Jano Construction.
Okay, so you're a 8th sem student, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So how did you knew about CFTI?
Like CMT, I know about CMT because CMT will regularly come to our college and they will take most webinar and the main person Ashok sir will frequently come to my college and our department ma'am Hemalada, she will help us with everything and she help us with this
Okay.
CMT.
So she referred you personally, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So you were attending the classes, like you were attending the workshops given by CMT regularly in your colleges and all.
Yes.
Okay. So how was your interview process and all, Jay?
As the interview process is held on here in CMT office. First, we had a assessment, and then we had AutoCAD and interior design in SketchUp online MCQs. And after we clear that, Ashok sir take the
Yeah, okay.
interview.
He took the interview and he assessed you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then you directly gone to the site and you had attended.
Then we had to went to the site, and in the site the topmost person took interview, and it was very easy to clear the interview.
So what about CMTI app and all? How did that help
Yeah,
you?
ma'am. The CMT app helped with me to study and learn everything, and it is very helpful to learn like upcoming engineers.
Okay. So you had been to Bangalore, right, at CMTI office. So how was the staffs of CMTI and all?
In CMT, every staffs are very kindly and friendly with us, and they help in with everything. Like even if you have any doubt, they clarify and everything, and it is very helpful to have them in CMT.
Thank you, Jeyanthira. Thank you so much for your feedback. All the best for
Thank
your
you.
future and congratulations once again for your
Thank
placements.
you so much.
Thank you, Jeyanthira.
Thank you so much.